Hey, what's up you guys? It's Ryan, aka Dead Inside One here. I got 3 applications to review for you guys today in this one video. So if you want to scroll through the video, I'm going to have 3 applications to review. Actually, the developer, the company name is Blue Technology Solutions. And I do have notes here, by the way. So Blue Technology Solutions was nice enough to give me a promo code for each one of their applications. So I definitely told them that I would go ahead and check out their apps and see what, I could get out of them. So the first one I wanted to talk about is something that some people might find very useful, but I really could not find it useful specifically because I don't ride a train. I drive everywhere. There's not many, public transportation routes out here in St. Charles, Missouri. So anyway, I didn't really find this very useful, but I mean, somebody that, is out in New York, it's got many cities. It's got New York. Let's actually go ahead and pull it up. It's called iTransitBuddy. It's $4.99 in the App Store. And for the amount of data that you get from this application, it's definitely worth the $4.99 if you would find it useful. If you don't ride a train or don't ride anything like that, it's definitely not going to be useful for you at all. So don't bother downloading it if you're not looking for something like this. So basically, you have to sync with this program, and if you can see right there, it says the sync download can take up to 45 minutes or longer depending on the number of records being downloaded. I tried to download it before this video just so I could show you guys some of the features, and it locked up my phone and it was going to take too long, so I had to terminate it by holding the home button. I actually hit the home button once and it just wouldn't do nothing. So if you start a download, you're pretty much done until you download it, and apparently there's a lot of data that's being brought into this application, so it will take a little while to download. So what you can do is once you download the information, you can view the train schedules for many cities. Like I said, there's New York. I mean, there's a lot of cities in there. I don't have the actual list of cities, but on the description of the app, you can see all the cities that it acknowledges. And then you can see the train schedules. You can see the departure and the arrival times and the time to be picked up. So the departure and the city will be right here. The train number, the train line. I don't know very much about riding trains. And then you'll have the arrival and departure time right here. And then you'll have the time until that train arrives. It was right here, and that's going to be in red. So I wanted to show you guys, but unfortunately I couldn't get it all downloaded in the appropriate amount of time that I wanted to, spend on downloading it. So it will take you a little while to download it because it is apparently a very big file. So then you can mark favorites, locations, you can search through city or region, and then right over here is your sync where you download the data. So let's go back, and then the next application that I wanted to talk to you guys about is called Puzzler, or iPicturePuzzler. iPicturePuzzler is actually 99 cents in the App Store right now, and if you see a lot of those puzzle games in the App Store where you have to rearrange the pictures to make a puzzle, they make you use pre-selected pictures, and with this particular application you can select a picture from your photo library and it automatically makes it into a puzzle for you. So that's pretty unique. So we're going to go ahead and select a picture, and let's go to my camera roll, and let me pull this off camera here so nobody goes through my pictures. I just got a lot of family pictures in here, so alright, so let's go ahead and pick one. The picture you guys see all the time is of my dog, which she is a lot bigger now, but that's my dog there. So we're going to go ahead and pick that one. And then down here you can select your easy, medium, hard, or impossible. So we're just going to do medium so I can show you. And then we're going to go right over here, and then we're going to go to Puzzler. And what it's going to do, hopefully, there you go. You see it auto rearrange the pictures into, it looks like 3, 6, 9, 12. Into 12 different blocks. So you have to move the picture around by clicking and then clicking where you want it to go. So actually all you got to do is click, and then it moves to the next available spot. So this is a pretty fun application. They said it's 99 cents right now for a introductory price. So definitely if you're looking for a puzzle game, pick this up while it's 99 cents because it might go a little bit higher than that. So that's called iPicturePuzzler. And then you can look at your scores, and earlier you can save your game also, so you can see scores. I'm not very good at these things, so we can go over here, and it crashed. So this video will go to the developer, so maybe they could tell me what I was doing wrong there. So anyway, we're back over here. Please select an image. We'll just do quick play. Okay, Puzzler. Okay, so here's pre-selected images here. Right here you've got your points, your time that has elapsed, and your shuffle / give up. You got your scores, no, like I showed you earlier, and you can go through saved games and you can delete them or you can go back to them. Now it doesn't look like my picture's loading up in the saved games, so that's interesting. So anyway, it's a new application. It was just released not too long ago. So it's 99 cents in the App Store right now. Pick it up. I'm sure the developer's not going to leave you hanging on things like that. I'm sure they'll be fixing it up for you. And then the final third application that they have is called iJokeMix. And I'm not a big fan of these fart machine applications or anything like that. And this one is no exception to, anything like that. You got barking dog. And then the rest are all fart noises. So we've all heard, or actually puke and scream and sneeze, and then the fart noises. So we've all heard the fart noises and everything like that, so I'm not going to be playing all of those. But if you can go up here, you can hit random sound. And that was pretty gross. It was a vomit type thing. It doesn't scroll to the sound when you hit random sound, it just plays it. So there's another sound. You can record a sound, and then when you record a sound up here, you just tap it. And then you can go down here to record, and now you're recording the song. See, it says recording, or the sound rather. Then here you can save it. And the cool thing about this is you can actually name it. So I'm going to name it Ryan. Okay, and then hit save. And then you can scroll down on this list and you can actually see Brian. My volume is way down. Sorry. And now you're recording the song. See, it says recording, or the sound rather. So that's pretty cool if you were into making your own nasty sounds, I guess. Another thing is you got the timer like you have on the other applications. You've got drum roll, which actually is kind of cool. This is kind of unique that you have drum roll. So let's go over here to, let's do the scream and then drum roll. So you can hit drum roll. You hear it playing the drum. And then you can do the little screams and stuff like that. Rim shot is also another drum sound. So, just another simple little application. This one's iJokeMix if you're into these type of soundboards, which I'm really not. But if you're into that kind of thing, it's called iJokeMix, so you definitely want to check that out. So just an overview of what I did. I did the iTransitBuddy, which is $4.99 in the App Store. That you can see the departure and arrival times of train schedules. iPicturePuzzler, which allows you to take your own pictures and make them into a puzzle. And then iJokeMix, which was what you just saw, the joking application is kind of like a soundboard. Both the two applications are 99 cents a piece, and then iTransitBuddy's $4.99. So if you know of any other applications that I might want to check out, or you got some developers codes and you want me to do a review of them, feel free to check out my website at myiPhoneGenius.com. There's a contact page on there. So send me an email. It's myiPhoneGenius@gmail.com if you need to get a hold of me. Also send me a private message if you think I need to review something. So that's all the applications from Blue Technology Solutions. So thanks again, Blue Technology, for sending those out. I'll send you the link to this video, and I will post this up on YouTube. So thanks for watching, guys, and take care.